Hi everyone. So Salesforce Consulting Admin Training Day 8. So what are we going to learn today? So today's agenda is we are going to go through the previous session overview and we'll talk about the product master, and then we'll talk about the product, we'll talk about the price book, product price book, and then opportunity product, and how to enable the code. Then we'll have a quiz, homework, and trial head. So this is the topic which we are going to see. So quickly. So last class, what did we learn?
Opportunities.
Last class, what did we learn?
We did list view, list view controller,
Sales Cloud,
sales cloud,
cycle,
default sales pipeline in Salesforce,
sales cycle, opportunity cycle,
Opportunity.
sales funnel.
opportunity cycle.
So yesterday we have seen sales cycle or an opportunity cycle. So that opportunity cycle is changes project by project. It's not a stick. So right now Salesforce has provided a default sales cycle, but that cycle might change based on the project. If it is a smaller project, you might see the cycle of only 3 pick list values. If it is a larger project, then you might see the very big cycle. So long cycle will be there. So that's what we have seen yesterday. Today we are going to move further. Product master. Product master. Now, first of all, what is product? In general term, what is product? Whatever you know. What is product?
The item which is ready
Commodity
to use
or service somebody offers in return of money.
which is ready to use.
Right. So product is, in other term, if I have to say, product is nothing but anything that I'm selling. Anything that I'm selling or in return, I'm getting a benefit of it is called as a product. Is called as a product. Master is nothing but, so master, you know, master table is nothing but very high table. So in this case, master table maintaining the product and corresponding price is called product master. Product master is nothing but master table maintaining the product. We are maintaining the which product and the corresponding price. What is the price for that particular product? So wherever it is maintained, it is called as a product master. Maintaining the product and corresponding price is called product master. Product master is divided into 2 types. One is product. The second one is a price book. First one is a product and the second one is price book. So product master is maintaining the product and their related price is called as a product master. Product master is divided into product and price book. Now let's see the product. So product is nothing but any item or commodity available for sale. So as you all explained, any item is called as a product. Basically, any item that I'm selling and in return, I'm getting some benefit to it is called product, or commodity available for sale is called as a product. Now let's take an example. Example, I'm selling the iPhone 14, right? Or iPhone 14 Pro Max. Or I'm selling the courses. Could be any course, Java course, Salesforce course, right? Any course. And how do I create a product? Now we know that what is the product, but how do I create it in Salesforce? How do I create a Salesforce? In Salesforce, in order to create, we have a navigation steps. Click on App Launcher and then select a products. Click on a new button on the product object. So when you click on a new button on the product object, you will see this screen. You will see this screen. So you have to go to the app launcher, where this side you have a 9 dots. So click on that app launcher, select a product, and then click on a new button. Click on a new button on the product object. Now in the product object, as soon as you click on a new button, you will see 6 fields. By default, Salesforce is providing 6 fields. By default, Salesforce is providing 6 fields. One is a product name. What kind of a product it is? What kind of a product? What kind of a product it is? Now let's see each one by one. So this is the screen that you will see it. And here we have a 6 fields. Product name. So product name is name of the product. Name of the product. In our case, it is a iPhone 14 Pro Max. Right? So let's assume this is my product name. This is the product name. Product name is nothing but name of the product. Now the second one is product code. Every product is associated with the product code. Even small product, whether it is a big product, small product, anything that has a code. Even Coca-Cola drinks also have a code. There is a code that is attached to those products. Whatever the product you are buying, whether it is a small thing also, there should be always a code is associated to it, right? So every product has a code. So for example, in this scenario, let's assume that IP14 and some code is there, 1004. This is the code for product. And the next one is product currency. Product currency. Now, product currency is based on the whatever the configuration that you have. Whatever the configuration you have. So that configuration, based on the configuration, it is going to display the product currency. If you have a Indian currency, then by default, it will be changed. By default, it will be India. For example, you have created a product. You have created a, for example, you have created a developer addition. Well, while creating the developer addition, you have mentioned the country or what are the address details are there. There you have mentioned the US address. Then by default, it will display as a, it will display as a USD dollars. USD dollars. If you want, you can change it. Now in this case, it is showing as a USD dollars. Now, next one is a product description. Product description. Product description is detailed information about the product. Detailed information about the product. That means iPhone 14. Now you can give features of this, right? You can change the features. Or you can enter the what is the benefit of using it. Benefit of using it. Or else, whatever the details you want, you can add the description details. Now the next one is active checkbox. Next one is active checkbox. So if you say yes, here active is true, that means you are going to enable this product. That means this is right now this product is available. If you say yes, if you say true, that means if you tick this one, that means this product is available right now in the market. If it is deactivated, that means it is not checked here. There is nothing is called checked. So it is not checked. In that case, what you can do is, it is a deactivate. It is a deactivate. Now here you can, that means this product is created, but it is not available right now. And the next one is a product family. Product family is They have provided, Salesforce is provided the product family, but you can keep it as a none. By default, you can keep it as a none. Now let's go ahead and create one product in Salesforce. Let's switch to the Lightning. Now I'll go to the application. Let me change here the application, sales application. Sales application. Now here we have a object called product. Let me open here product. Now right now you cannot see product here. Right now you cannot see product. Now how can I add my product tab? Product tab, how can I add it here? So if you want to add a product tab on the navigation bar, go to the setup. Go to the setup and search for a app manager. Search for app manager. Click on app manager. Now here, which application we are in? We are in sales application. Now go to the sales application. This is the sales Lightning. Now click on edit. Now what I am planning to do here on top, we do not have a product. Is there anywhere product is displaying it? I have a opportunity, lead, task, files, account, contacts, campaign, dashboard, reports, chatter group, calendar, people, case, forecast, but product is not displaying it. You can get it by searching here, you can get the product. But as soon as I land onto this, as soon as I land onto the sales application, by default, it should display the tab here. Right now, by default, tab is not displaying for the product. So that's the reason I'm going to the Sales Lightning App Builder. Click on here, navigation items. In the navigation items, now I do not need a forecast. I do not need let me keep the charter, groups, I do not need it. Calendar, I don't need. People, I don't need. What I need is product. So let me add the product here as well as I'll add the price book. Now I have added the two tabs in the navigation items. In the navigation items, I have added the two tabs. That means by default, these two tabs along with the home opportunity lead, it should display the product price book as well. So click on a save. Click on save. Now what did I do right now? So the
You added a
navigation
tab.
item, what did I
Added the
do?
tab.
Right, so I clicked on a setup. Clicked on a setup and
App
then
launcher.
I search for the app
App
manager. And then I have choose the sales. I have choose the sales Lightning app. Choose the sales Lightning app. Choose sales Lightning app.
Navigation items.
Now after this,
Navigation items.
we went to the navigation item. Navigation items. In the navigation item, so clicked on navigation item. Selected the tab,
Product price book.
that needs to be selected the tab in available items. and move to selected items. Move to selected items and then click on a save. So these are the steps which I have performed right now. These are the steps which I have performed. Now, once this is done, let's go ahead and refresh this home page. Now we have a product here. Click on a product. I can see the product here. I can see the product. Now click on this. We do not have any products right now. Salesforce is, if you click on all products, Salesforce is providing few products here. Salesforce is providing few products. Now, whenever we are creating a product, it has to be, we have to decide whether it is a silver product. We will see that. Now let's go ahead and create it. Now, for example, I'm creating the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and the product code active, and the product code is IP14 1002 number, and the family you can keep it as a none for now. Instructions about iPhone 14 Pro. Click on save. Now I have created one product. Now this is how in the real time we create it. This is how we create it in the real time. Now here, if you look at this, let me go back again, product. If you look at this, here we have a mandatory fields are product name, right? Mandatory fields are product name. Now currency is not displaying right now because let's go ahead and see that whether we have a currency in the product. Let's click on the edit object manager, edit object. It is displaying only 5 fields. Actually, it should supposed to display the 6 fields. Now, does it has a product currency? Okay, Salesforce has removed the currency, seems like. Yeah, Salesforce has removed the currency. So right now it is only 5 fields we have it. Out of 5, only 1 field is mandatory product name. But in the real time, we enter all the details. Product name, price code, product code, active, product family, product description. In real time, that means client is going to provide you that all the details. What is the product description? What is the product code? Right? What is the product name? Now, how they are going to give you the information? Similar like, so let's assume that they are going to create it like this. So Salesforce course. So the first one product name is Salesforce course. So they will give the one spreadsheet. Client always give the spreadsheet. So and they will tell us that can you create this data in Salesforce? So they will always give us the spreadsheet. And by looking at the spreadsheet, we need to configure in the Salesforce. So product name. So product name is like what kind of a product name? So it is a Salesforce course. And product code, what is the product code here? SFDC 2023. Now product description, Salesforce admin, development. Active is yes, product family is none. So this is one product. And the second one is a lightning course. Second product is lightning course. So lightning course LT 2023, lightning aura LWC. This is also active. Product family, none. And the next one is a HTML and JavaScript product, right? So this is also another one. So I'm selling the HTML and JavaScript, which is a code is nothing but HJ 2023, and product description is HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and is it active? Yes, active. Integration. This is another product which is called as a integration, but it is not active. Now let's go ahead and create these products. Let's go ahead and create these products. So in order to create, go to the product here. Now check here. The first one is Salesforce name, Salesforce course, Salesforce course, and it is active. Product code is SFDC 2023, SFDC 2023. Now description is Salesforce admin. Description is Salesforce admin, and then development, and then development. So this is one. Either you click on a save, or you can click on a save and new. When I click on a save, it goes back to this screen. It goes back to the detail section. Like for example, as soon as I click on this, it goes back to the detail section. It goes back to the detail section. For example, you are continuously creating the records in the product. Let's assume I'm creating another one here, lightning course, and it is active. And then product code is LT 2023. And the description is lightning aura and LWC. Now, this time I'll click on a save and new. This time I'll click on a save and new. That means I'm going to create another product. So when you have another product, so you can click on it directly, save and new. So what will happen? It goes to the detail section, as well as it will open up the new product window, as well as it will open up the new product window. Now this time I am creating the HTML and JavaScript. JavaScript. Now it is active. Product code is HJ 2023. Now product description is a HTML and JavaScript, CSS. Click on save. Instead of save, I wanted to create another one. So let's click on a save and new. It went into the detail section and the new product is open. Now finally, I'll create one more integration. Integration. Let's say it is active. Product code is IN 2023. Right? So product description is a Salesforce configuration, Salesforce configuration and integration. Salesforce configuration and integration. Click on a save. Click on save. Now, how many I have created? Let's go back to the product. So far I have created 5 products. So far I have created 5 products. 5 products which I have created it. Now we have a product. Now we have a product. Now any questions before I'm moving on?
Is this a CPQ thing?
Sorry?
Is it CPQ mean CPQ also mean the product pricing
Yes.
will be, right?
Now in
Is it
CPQ also it has it, as well as standard Salesforce also has it.
okay? Is it same or different?
Kind of a same. I cannot say exact same. It's a kind of a same.
Okay.
Maybe you might see few more fields for the CPQ.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So will you be covering that the CPQ as well in this course?
Not in depth, but at one point I'll be covering it. What are there in the CPQ?
Okay. Yeah.
Product family. So product family is nothing but, now it is similar to the kind of a brand. Now what are the products are? these products are which family it is contains. That means if I am buying the different phones, maybe the family is a phone. If I'm buying the laptops, different type of a laptops, or could be a brand also. Now I'm buying everything related to the iPhone or everything related to the Microsoft or everything related to the Samsung. So that is also family. So whatever we have a family within the Salesforce, within the Samsung family, what are the products are there? We wanted to review all those products. Any other questions? Is everybody clear how to create a product?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So yesterday we have seen how to create an opportunity. Yesterday we have seen how to create an opportunity. Now I have created an opportunity. Assume that we already have an opportunity. This is the opportunity. Now today we have created another one which is called as a product. Another one which is called as a product. Another one which we have created product. Now that means this opportunity is connected to the account. This opportunity is connected to the account. From the account, we will be getting, right? So every opportunity is connected to the account. Now here, account and opportunity is linked to each other, right? We have a relationship. One account can have a multiple opportunity. So when we got an opportunity, definitely they are interested in the product. They are interested in the product, right? So they are interested in the product. Now, when they are interested in the product, now once they have reviewed the product description, what are the features, everything they have reviewed. The next step is they are going to ask price. What is the price of this product? What is the price of this product? So that means there is a debates or a negotiation happens here. Now, so far in Salesforce, I have seen the account details, I have seen the opportunity, after that we have seen the product. Individual, how to create it, we have seen. Now, where is the price? Where is the price? On the product, it does not say that there is a price here. On the product, it just says about the product information. It just says about the product information. It does not say the price. It does not say the price here. Now, how are we going to define the price for this particular product? For that, we have a concept called price book. For that, we have a concept called price book. Price book is nothing but pricing strategy to the position in single product or a multiple price ranges. Let's take a general scenario, right? So for example, we have a different type of a customers. We have a different type of a customer. Let's take an example for the laptop. We have a laptop. Now this laptop is, assume that it is cost of 50,000. Laptop cost is 50,000. Whenever we have a cost of 50,000, now this 50,000 is additional. Actually, manufacturing cost of the laptop is a 30,000. Manufacturing cost of laptop is a 30,000. Now, the shop member or whoever is selling the laptop, they are charging additional 20,000 because all the transportation, whatever the remaining is there, they have included. So total it is a 50,000. They kept the price mark as a 50,000. Now, there are two customers visited to the shop. Two customers visited to the shop. Now they are researching about the laptop. They are researching about the laptop. One person is a student. One person is student. Now student is looking for this laptop. He liked this laptop. He liked this laptop. Similarly, CEO, the another person is a CEO of the one company. Another person is CEO of the company. Now, in the shop, we have a two different customers. One is a student customer. Another person is a CEO customer. Another person is a CEO customer. Now, they both are interested to buy the laptop. They both are interested to buy the laptop. Now, when they are buying the laptop, now student is kind of doing the bargaining that I cannot pay 50,000 because I am a student. I cannot pay 50,000 because I am a student. I can pay maximum of 30,000. Student will say that I'll pay 30,000 because I have that much amount. I cannot go above the 30,000. So student is saying that, can you give me the laptop for 30,000? 50,000 is lot per because I am a student. Now next thing, CEO person. CEO person is also checking the laptop. Assume that he is not bargaining anything. Now there is a discussion is happening between the shop member and as well as the student. Now there has to be a strategy should be applied because we do not want to lose the customer. The first thing is that nobody wants to lose the customer. Nobody wants to lose the customer. Now this person is saying that 30,000. This person is saying 30,000. Now after a lot of discussion between the shop member and a student, now shop member says that, okay, it's not the 30,000. I'll give you final rate for the 40,000. I'll give you final rate for the 40,000. Because I know that student cannot offer 50,000, maximum I can go for 40,000. I cannot go down to the 30,000. That's what is the deal happens between the student and the shop member. Whereas CEO is checking the laptop. Now CEO also started bargaining it. When he started bargaining it, now shop member knows that this person can offer 50,000. This person can offer 50,000 because he is already working. He is a CEO, no point of having the bargain, right? So now the CEO is, whenever he does the bargain, now the shopkeeper, what they does is they put a strategy here. Now based on the which level of customer, whether they wanted to reduce the price or they wanted to increase the price or they wanted to give the discount or not, everything they will put a strategy. Now for the CEO, they do not say that, okay, we are providing you offer. They simply say that 50,000, it's a MRP rate. 50,000, it's a MRP rate. So CEO has to buy because he can offer it. Now there is the strategy that is applied between the two customers. Now what they have done, shop members are applied a strategy, pricing strategy. How they have applied the pricing strategy to the position, right? Whether it is a single product or a multiple product based on the customer. Now student here is a gold customer. CEO is a platinum customer. Gold customer is, yes, important, but platinum is a more important customer, right? So very high level. So gold is a important, so this person might come back. So platinum is also very important. So where a gold is not that preferred, but platinum will be preferred. So kind of this, they will be differentiate the customers, whether it is a gold customer, platinum customer, or a titanium customer, silver customer, right? So kind of this, they will be placing the customer's details here. So this is how the pricing strategy applied. This is how the pricing strategy will be applied. Any questions on this? So this is generic one, which you see in your day-to-day. There is nothing called some specific here. Whatever we are seeing in a day-to-day, I just made it as a technical. I just made it as a technical. Any questions offline, online?
So far clear, ma'am.
Okay. Offline. Okay. Now moving on, the next one is, now let's understand the price book concept in Salesforce. Price book concept in Salesforce. Now we have a object called price book. We have a object called price book. Now navigation steps to create a price book is click on app launcher, select a price book, and then click on a new button on the price book object. Click on a new button on the price book object. Click on the new button on the price book object. Now, as soon as you click on the price book object, you will see this screen. This screen, you will see it. Now here, there are 4 fields. Price book name. Price book name is basically where you need to enter the name of price. And then description, what kind of a description, like a detailed information about the description. And then you have a active, whether it is a price book is active or not. Then you have a is standard price book, whether it is a standard price book or it is a custom price book. Standard price book is like an actual price. Actual price. Standard price is nothing but actual price. On top of it, you can create your own custom price book. Like whenever the DMart or whoever the shop members are there, whenever they buy a product from the manufacturer, there is a standard price is there. Now what they will do is they will take out that standard price and they will put, as per their rule, they will put another tag onto the product. So that is their customized price. That is their customized price. So simple example, same product, if you look at in the DMart, it will be different price. When you look at the product in the IKEA, it will be different price. Because that price is customized as per their company or their standards, they are going to put the price onto the product. Now here, only the price book name is mandatory. Only the price book name is mandatory. Now price book, create following 4 price book in Salesforce Sales Cloud. Now let's go ahead and create a 4 price book in Salesforce Sales Cloud. Now the first one is a platinum. It has to be active. Next one is a gold. It has to be active. Next one is a silver. It has to be active. Next one is a bronze. It is a deactivated. Now let's go ahead and create the price book. Now we do not have a price book here. Click on this arrow. No, it is not there. Now let me go to the app launcher. Click on setup. Let's see the app manager, whether I have added it or not. Let's search for app manager. Now we have a sales lightning. Click on edit. And go to the navigation items. Now price book is there. Why it is not displaying the price book? Let's move this on top. Click on save. Let me refresh. Now still I cannot see the price book. Let me search here. Price book. Now you can search here in the app launcher, you will find the price book. Now click on a new. Now we are going to create a 4 different price book. 4 different price book. One is a platinum. One is platinum. Click on active. Description is platinum is nothing but all premium customers. They are very important customers. All premium customers. It's not a standard price book. Click on a save. It's active. It's not a standard price book. Now click on clone. I'm clicking on the clone button here. Now I'm creating another one which is called as a gold. These customers are all medium customers. All medium customers. Click on save and new. And then we'll create a silver customers. Silver is nothing but entry level customers. They are entry level customers. Click on yes, click on save and new. Now we have a bronze customer. Click on yes. Bronze is basically just a customers. Let me keep it as a deactive for this. Now let's click on save. Now let's go back to the price book. Now we have created a 4 price books. We have created 4 price books. Bronze, silver, platinum, right? So these are the one which we have created. These are the one which we have created. Now I created the account, opportunity, product, then later I created the price book. Here is the price book. Now this is price book. This is the price book. Now we have a product and price book. Now I need to link product and price book. I need to link product and price book. Now, do I have any relationship between the product and price book? Now, if I go to the product, now is there any lookup field here in order to include the price book? I do not have anything here. If I go to the related list, it has a price book here. It has a price book. So on the product level, it has a price book. Now click on the add standard. Now when you click on a add standard, price book, what it is asking here, product, and also it is asking the price book. Now, standard price book, is this the one which we have created? We have not created that one. We have created the platinum. But what we are doing it here right now, I'm adding the standard price. But first of all, now we have a product and price book. In Salesforce, product and price book, you cannot link directly. You cannot link the price book directly to the product. If you want to link a price book to the product, there has to be a junction object. There has to be one mediator object here. It has to be one mediator object. You cannot link directly price book to the product. There has to be a one which is called as a price book entry.
Both are separate objects, right, madam?
Sorry?
Both are separate objects.
Yes, both are separate objects. So which is price book entry. So using the price book entry, you have to link your price to the product. Now, what is this price book entry? Now, first of all, let's understand how the connection is. Now, I have a product. Let's assume I have a Salesforce course, Lightning course, HTML and JavaScript and integration. These are the different products. Now, if I want to connect, now I have created a platinum. These are the price book, platinum, gold price book, silver price book, bronze price book. These are different price books, right? This is a product, this is a price book. Now we have two different objects which are there, two different objects which are there. But in order to connect this platinum to any of the product, in order to connect this platinum to any of the product, in between, it has to go through the price book entry. Now, price book entry will be decided that do you want to connect Salesforce course with gold customers or a silver customers or a bronze customers, right? So sometimes for the product, you might receive a different type of a customers. You receive different type of a customers. So you need to create a different price books. You need to create a different price book. For example, let's take an example of institute. Let's take a example of institute. For the institute, we have a offline and online, right? Also, there are few members who are different people are there, right? So it is basically we have a different customers, online customers, offline customers, and also one-to-one customers, right? So there are different ways of the customers are there. When we have a online customers, what is the deal? When we have a offline customers, what is the deal? When we have a one-to-one customers, what is the deal? Similarly, in the Salesforce also, when you have a product, for this product, what kind of a customers might come? Any type of customers might come, right? So platinum customer, gold customer, silver customer, bronze customer, right? Whenever we receive that kind of a customers, what kind of a price that we should be applied, right? Each product will be connected to the multiple price books. Each product is connected to the multiple price books. It's not that this Salesforce course has to connect to the platinum. No. Salesforce course can connect to the multiple price books. Lightning also can connect to the multiple price book. HTML JavaScript product is also connected to the multiple price book. Integration product is also connected to the multiple price books. Multiple price book. Now this project price book entry is a mandatory, it has to be there. Now let me show you in the Salesforce. In the Salesforce, just search for a schema builder. Search for schema builder in the setup. Search here schema. Now it is a schema builder. Schema builder is kind of a graphical representative of your object. Graphical representative of your project. Now you have a product, price book entry. Product, price book entry. In this product, we are creating a different product, Salesforce course product, Lightning product, right? So HTML product, price book, we have a different type of a price books here. But in order to connect the price book to the product, in between, we need to have a price book entry. In between, we need to have a price book entry. That means one product, this price book can be connected to the product, it can be connected to the price book, right? So whenever I'm creating the price book entry has to choose the product and price book entry has to choose the price book. Whenever we are creating the price book entry record, the price book entry record has to choose the product, it has to choose the price book. It has to choose the price book. Is that clear? In case if you want to, in real time, if you wanted to know what is the relationship or you have joined in the real time in between of the project, you are not there from the scratch of the project, you are in between of the project. In that scenario, in that case, how can I understand what is the relationship between the each object and what are the fields are there? If you wanted to know, you have to go to the schema builder in that organization. Go to the schema builder. Schema builder is going to show all the objects, all the objects. Now we are going to cover this page in detail later, but schema builder is going to show you that graphical representation, how your object is displayed here, how your object is displayed. Now this is the connection between the product, price book entry. Product, price book entry. This is the connection. That is the connection. Now here, whenever I'm creating a price book, now click on a add standard price book. What is happened here? It is link the product as well as the price book. Now, what I'm creating here, I'm creating the price book entry. As soon as I click on this, it says here, price book. But as soon as I click on a add standard price book, where it is landing on the price book entry. It is landing on the price book entry. And what are the details it is asking? It is asking the product and the price book. Product and the price book. It is asking the product and price book. Now I'm creating the price book entry here. This is not the price book. It is actually price book entry, but Salesforce is showing the related as a price book. Salesforce is showing as a price book. But as soon as I click on add standard price, where it is going to the new price book entry. New price book entry, which is a junction object between the price book and a product. Junction object between the price book and product. It is a junction object between the price book and product. Now we have a product and the price book. Now product is integration product, price book is standard price book. Now, whenever we are creating a price book, whenever we are creating the price book entry, always has to link the standard price. Now here observe this, it has a add standard price. It has a add standard price. That means first you add whatever the base price is there, actual price. So first add the actual price. Now here it is coming, integration is the product, and what is the price book? Standard price book is, let's assume that 9,000. Let's assume it's a 9,000. Now click on use standard price. If you want to use the standard price, it is a disable right now. Now we'll see that later. So for example, right now I'm adding the price is a 9,000. I'm adding the price is a 9,000. So as soon as I add a standard price, see here, the button name is changed. The button name is changed. It is right now, it is saying that add price book. What was before? Before it was, now let me go
Add
to
standard
the
price.
product. Yes, before it was add standard price. It is add standard price. But right now what it is saying, as soon as I add the standard price, add price book. That means I'm adding the whatever the standard price for this product. This product, whatever the standard is there, I'm adding the standard price. But if I wanted to make, now once I added the standard price, now I wanted to add my own price. Now I wanted to add my own price. For example, if it is a bronze customer, right? Now one thing observe here, price book, whether it is a active or a deactive, every details it is going to show. All the records it is going to show here. Now if you go to the price book, let's go to the sales. Now let me open here price book. Price book, click on the price book. Now here, if you observe this, bronze is a deactive, rest all are is active, right? But when you are adding the price book, it shows whether active or deactive, every records it is going to display. Every record it is going to display. For example, if it is a gold customer, what is the currency? Now currency is INR, but what is the price? I'll say price is for the gold customer, I'll say that 8,000. Click on save. Now I'll add another one. Now click on a platinum customer. If it is a platinum customer, now click on next. If it is a platinum customer, I'll say that 8,500. 8,500. Click on save. Now, in case in this scenario, if you do not want the platinum 8,500, I'm saying it, but I wanted to use the standard one. Platinum, for the platinum, I do not want to apply any custom. I wanted to use the standard price. Whatever the standard price is there, that's the same price it should go for the platinum customers. So then you can say here, use standard price. So you cannot change anything for the platinum customer. We are using the standard price. Now, if you want to add another user, like let's assume that standard is INR, click on a next. Now for the standard, I'll say that standard is nothing but very rare customers. I'll say 8,500. Click on save. And add price book. Now this time I'm going to add a silver. Click on INR, click on a next. Now here I'll say that INR for silver also I'm going to use the standard one, which is a 9,000. Right, so like this you have to create. Now, but what you are creating, you are not linking the price book. Here when you open this, it is actually having the price book name, right? It has a price book name. When you click on this bold, it will say that this is the price book. And here you will see the price book entries, right? So when you go to the product, for example, I'm into the product. I have already added the price book. Right, when I have added the price book, if you click on this price book, it goes to the price book. It gives you all the information about the price book and the related list. In the related list, you will see the price book entry. In the related list, you will see the price book entry. So this is the product name, and this is the, now if you open this entry, now it has a product name. Details will be there. Product name, details will be there. Clear? So from the product, you are going to the price book. From the product, you are going to the, if you go to the product related list, you have a price book here. If you click on this price book, you will go to the price book. In the price book, you will see what kind of a customers about this price, like what is the actual customers. If the customer is a gold, then go to the price book entry. What should be the price for this? What should be the price for this? Now here it says that Indian rupees. Here it says that Indian rupees. In case if you want to change it, go to the company information. Go to company's information. In the company information, address is India, default is English. Now here current local is a India INR. Current local is India INR. Now here I'll say that instead of INR, I'll go for the USD. I'll go for USD. Now click on save. Right now it is saying that USD dollars. Now if you click on refresh, go to the related list. Now it is showing as a dollar. Now it is showing as a dollar. So if you want to change the currency, you need to go to the company information. So in order to change the currency, the navigation steps are to change the currency. Navigation steps. Navigation steps are setup, search for a company information, search for company information, and then there is an option called locate from the currency locale. Option is called currency locale. So change this. If you change this, once you change it, click on a save button. Click on save button. Then the currency will be changed. Right now it is showing as a dollar. Right now it is showing as a dollar here. Instead of Indian rupees, it is showing as a dollar. Now, so far what we have done, now we have linked this price book to the price book entry from the price book to the product. Price book to the product. Now, this product has to be linked to the opportunity. This product has to be linked to the opportunity. Now, how can we link that? Now, let me see, first of all, the product details. Let's go to the product. Integration, I have added HTML JavaScript. Let me open the HTML JavaScript. Do I have the price book? No, it is not there. Let me add the standard one. Now, let's say that here the price is for the integration. Let's give it as a 3000. Click on save. Now, immediately the button gets changed. Now, I'm adding for the bronze customer, currency is a USD. Click on the next. And here I'll say that, okay, 3000. Click on save. If it is a gold customer, USD, for USD gold customer, let's say that it is a $2,500. Click on save. Similarly, I'll be adding the regular customers. So like regular customers are standard or silver. Silver is the regular customers. Let's click on next. Now for the regular customer, I'll go with the standard price. This is the HTML. Now let me go to the opportunities. In the opportunities, I'll say that, let me take the Infosys. Here we have a products. In the opportunity, we have a related list products. Now click on these products, add product, add product. There are two buttons are there. One is a add product and another one is a choose price book. Choose price book. If you click on a add products, it is going to ask which type of price book do you want to include? Gold, platinum, silver, standard. If you say gold, now we have a opportunities who are related to the gold. Now click on it, save. Now I'm adding the product. Now here click on this. Why it is showing only two? Why it is showing only two? Because the gold customers are, the gold price book is linked to only this particular product. Only this particular product. Here is the gold, right? Now if I add another one, for example, if I add a lightning course, I'll go here, the lightning course, click on a add standard. Standard one by default, we have to give 5,000. Lightning course, click on a save. And then immediately the button gets changed. Now I'm adding let's assume that I'm adding the platinum. Platinum customers, let's say that they are also going for the standard price. Click on save. Now I have added the standard price platinum here, right? Now, let me refresh this opportunity. In the opportunity related list, we have a product. Now, whenever I choose a product here, add product, Now I'm adding the product called gold. I'm adding the product called gold, but still it is saying that only 2 products. Still it is saying only 2 products. It is not giving me the another product. It is not giving me the another product. The reason is this does not have a gold price book. This does not have a gold price book. If you are choosing a different one, if you are choosing a different price book, like for example, if I choose a platinum, click on save. Click on save. So if you choose a platinum and click on the platinum, it says that integration lightning course. It says integration lightning course because the platinum price book is not available in the HTML. Now, if you go to the product, HTML JavaScript, does it have a platinum? There is no platinum price book. So that's the reason it is giving only the one that has a what are the platinum. Now select the product here, click on a next. Click on next. Now once you added this integration and lightning course, what is the quantity? What is the quantity? That means whenever you are adding a product to the opportunity, whenever you are adding a product to the opportunity, the first thing is whenever you are linking here, the first thing is that they are going to ask how many members are going to join this course. That means quantity. That means quantity. How many members are going to join this course? Now, if I say that 2 members are going to join, 2 members are going to join, and the lightning course, there are 3 members are going to join this course. Now, what is this means? Now I'll show you here. Quantity is 2 and sales price is saying 9,000. For the lightning, it is saying that 5,000. Date, when are we going to start the integration? Let's assume that we are planning to start the integration on May 31st. And then another one, which is a lightning course. Lightning course, we are planning to start on the May 11th. Now, if you want to add any description, you can add it. Click on save. Click on save. Now we have here 2 products which are added and the quantity is 2. 2 products which are added, quantity is 2 and the lightning courses quantity is 3. Right? So now if you come back to the opportunity here, in the opportunity, if you go to the Infosys, the detail section, what are the detail section is there? This amount is filled. Now, how this amount and expected revenue is built? Let me show you the another one. Now, let's go to the opportunity here. Let's suppose I'm taking the 100 laptops. In the 100 laptops, this has. Let me create another opportunity. So, opportunity name is a course details. Course details. Now, here close date is, let's assume that by June 30th, and the account name is, let's give it to Infosys. So Infosys is planning to go for a course, new customer, lead source is a web. Through the web they have received, it's a prospecting, and you can enter, that's it, click on a save. So once you click on a save, for the new opportunity, we do not see the amount and expected revenue. We do not see the amount and expected revenue because right now the product is not linked to the opportunity. Product is not linked to the opportunity. So when we do not have any product for this opportunity, there is no point of showing the amount or expected revenue. Now let me go ahead and add the product. Let's click on add product. Now for the add product, I'll say that gold price book. Now click on a save. Now I'll say here HTML, JavaScript and the integration. Click on it, save. Now here I'll say that HTML is 2 members are going to join. Integration, 1 member is going to join. Now assume that HTML we are planning on 28th and then integration we are planning on next month somewhere 31st. Now this is on. Click on save. Now, once I click on save, automatically you see here the amount and expected revenue is updated. How it is updated? Now, what is the sales price here? 2,500. 2,500 multiplied by 2. 2,500 multiplied by 2. Now let's go ahead and take the calculator. Now we have a 2,500 multiplied by 2. So how much? It is a 5,000. Then plus we have a 8,000. Plus we have a 8,000. And what is the total? Total is 13,000. What is the amount it is displaying? 13,000. That means if this opportunity goes everything perfectly fine, that means if we are going to close this opportunity, all the life cycle, whatever the sales cycle is there, if the sales cycle goes properly fine, the benefit that company is going to get $13,000 because they are planning to purchase these two products. These two products, they are going to purchase it. So what is the revenue that they are going to expect out of this opportunity? $13,000 they are going to expect the amount at the end of the opportunity closure. Right, clear? So here we have a opportunity product link is directly there. So one opportunity is connected to the multiple products. One opportunity is connected to the multiple products. When we are connecting the multiple products, definitely it is going to ask what is the quantity. How many members are going to take this product? Whether quantity is 2, quantity is 1, quantity is 3 members. Based on this quantity and a single product price, what are the multiplication is there, the entire amount is placed into the opportunities. On the opportunity, we have a field called amount and expected revenue. So on this field, automatically the amount gets updated as soon as I link it. So relationship between the opportunity and product is one-to-many relationship. One opportunity can be connected to the multiple product. Again, now one product can be linked to the one price book, and this will be connected to the another price book. Same product can be connected to the different price book also. Right now we have created. So this is a many-to-many relationship. Between the product and price book, we have a many-to-many relationship. One product can be connected to the multiple price book. One price book can be connected to the multiple product. So the relationship is many-to-many. So in between, we have a junction object which will be defined many-to-many relationship. The junction object is a price book entry. Price book entry. Now, every product should have a standard price and different price based on the price book. Now, opportunity product is whenever you are connecting to the product to the opportunity, the quantity is a mandatory. The quantity is mandatory. The quantity is mandatory. Now, till this point, is it clear for everyone? Any questions? Okay. Offline. Okay. Let's move on. This we will see tomorrow. Now, what is an product master?
Is a master table.
Maintaining product.
Maintaining
Master
product
table
and
maintaining
corresponding
product and corresponding price is called
price
master,
called
product master.
Right. So product master is nothing but it's a master table maintaining the product and corresponding price. If you delete a price book, which one you are deleting, Vasavi? Which one you are deleting the price book? So let's assume that we are going to the price book here. Now let's assume that if I delete this, now let me delete the bronze one. So if I delete it, now bronze, I'm deleting it. So click on it, delete. Now we have a 3 records. Now let's go to the recycle bin. In the recycle bin, it shows the bronze price book as well as the bronze price book because you are having a different records here, right? So this is another record. You have a price book entry, price book entry. Whenever you delete a price book, automatically price book entry also gets deleted. So 4 records, if you delete the price book, then multiply by 2. That means if you delete a price book, there is a different price book entry related to that also getting deleted. So that is a default functionality. And the next one is, what is product here?
Commodity.
Commodity.
Any item or commodity available for sale.
Available
for sale.
Right. Offline. Now, what is price book here?
It's a junction object. No.
What is
Pricing
price book?
strategy to position a
And
single
the
product.
Pricing
Product and
strategy to
multiple
position
price.
single product and multiple price
Multiple
range.
price range.
Right. Products pricing strategy. Basically, it is a pricing strategy to the position a single product and multiple price
Multiple
range.
price range.
Where do we add a price amount?
price book.
On the product or on the price book or on the price book entry?
Price
Price
book.
book.
Price book.
Price book entry.
Where do we add it?
Price book.
Price
book
book
entry.
Price book.
Price book entry.
Price book entry and standard price.
Standard.
That's right. Now homework. Create a 4 products in Salesforce, Sales Cloud. iPhone 14, active, and create all this information like a product code is IP 2023. Product description is a iPhone 14. Make it as a active. Product family none. And create another record Samsung. Samsung product name and product code is SM2023. Product description is S Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra 5G. And click on active yes. And create another product which is a note.
Balbada.
2023.
Hmm?
NT 2023 Redmi Note 11 Pro and make it active. And the last one is a OnePlus OP 2023 OnePlus 10R and make it as a no. Product family is nothing. Let me know once it is noted down. Is everybody taking any notes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's move on. Next homework is create a following 4 price book in Salesforce Sales Cloud. So that means you need to create a price book platinum. Description is a all premium customer. Active yes. Is standard price book no. Second record is a gold price book. Description is a all medium customers. Active is yes. Is standard no. And then silver price book name, entry level description. And active is yes. And is standard price book is no. Bronze price book. Customers is the description, active is no. You cannot see the junction object on the navigation bar. Junction objects are always available only in the related list. And let me know once it is done. We'll move on to the next one. Okay, so the next homework is create a lead, convert the lead into account contact opportunity. Take the lead name is, first name is a Sachin, lead last name is a Tendulkar, and rest all information you can give. If there are any mandatory fields are there, just provide the mandatory fields. So create a lead with this name, convert that lead to the opportunity. While converting, choose the account and contact. Once the opportunity is created, link the product to the opportunity. Link the product to the opportunity. So while linking it, you have to click on it, add price book, gold, silver, quantity is 4. 4 members, added the 4 members, add the price book, gold, silver. Add the price book, gold, silver. So 2 price book needs to be added and the quantity for these 2 are 4. Yes, I'll be placing into the PPT. And next one is a check total amount on the opportunity. See, whenever you are converted the opportunity here, what is the amount, what is the expected revenue? Just take a screenshot of it. And once you add the product or once you add the price book, what is the total amount or revenue it is displaying it. So the last one is a observation. Can I move on? Is everybody noted?
Yes, ma'am.
So the next one is again create another lead. Create another lead. Lead first name is Cristiano and lead last name is Ronaldo. First name Christina, lead last name is Ronaldo, and link the product to opportunity. Link the product to opportunity. And the products here, price book you are going to link is platinum, gold, silver. Platinum, gold, silver. Platinum, gold, silver. And then quantity is 2. So for each one of them, quantity is 2 and observe the total amount and the opportunity. Now let me paste the trial head link. So this is the trial head link. I have just pasted it in the chat. So make sure that is also homework, complete that. So that is having a details about the how to create a customize a product, price book, opportunity, and how to add a product to it, how to access the control the access to the price book product, what are the multiple codes, create an order with product. Right, so that's all for today. Let me stop recording.